These are the brothers.
Kia ora.
We're doing this Tauara walk again. This is my second attempt, and I'm where I got the first time. That's the top of the farmland. As you can see, got the rest of the whānau coming now. So I'm gonna smash what I did last time, and we're gonna do it today. Mauri ora.
Mauri ora.
Now we've got a black session at the top too, so.
They do. Well, made it to the first summit finally. But as you can see, apparently we still got to go to the altar or something. But this is us. Our beautiful whenua. The number one. So we're doing it today, finally. One more peak to go. And then we've smashed it. Mauri ora. Losses then gains.